Welcome to the 1099 ETC program. This tutorial covers printing the pre-printed 1099 miscellaneous forms in the W-2 1099 Forms filer. To begin, in the W-2 1099 Forms filer, there are two printing options: pre-printed or software-generated forms. Pre-printed means that you have the forms and just need to print the data. The 1099 miscellaneous forms are required to be on the red pre-printed forms. Recipient copies can be printed on pre-printed or as a software-generated form. We recommend that you purchase the pre-printed forms from Nelco. Their phone number is 800-266-4669. Although we attempt to align the forms to the best of our ability, the forms may need to be aligned. This can be due to differences in printers, other vendor forms, paper, etc. This tutorial covers printing the 1099 miscellaneous forms on pre-printed forms. At this point, the pair has been created. The 1099 miscellaneous data has been entered. The pre-printed forms are loaded in the printer. This is the main menu of the 1099 ETC program. Select W-2 1099 Forms filer. Highlight the pair, ABC Payroll, and click OK. This is the W-2 1099 Forms filer. Select Form. Select 1099 Forms. Select 1099 Miscellaneous. This is the 1099 Miscellaneous Form entry screen. The data is entered and the forms are ready to print. If there is additional data to be entered, click Add Record. For the purposes of this tutorial, click Print. Click Form. This is the printer mode screen. This screen is used to designate how the forms are to be printed. Print modes 2 and 3 are for pre-printed forms. You can set up different printers for each mode and preload the forms. These modes 2 or 3 will print the data only. If checked, Print Preview or Multiple Printing will display the print job on the screen prior to printing, and multiple copies of each form can be printed. Click Next to continue. On the record selection screen, select the employee options to print the appropriate forms. Please refer to the help files for more information on the record selection screen. Click OK. You can print one page of forms for each recipient, or you can print multiple recipients per page. Our selection will print 3 forms per page. If you are printing the Copy A forms to send to the IRS, select No so that each recipient is only printed one time. Otherwise, each recipient will get 3 forms on a page. The Preview dialog is used to view or print the forms, save the forms to a PDF file, or print multiple copies. View is used to preview the print job on the screen prior to printing on the forms. The view can also be used for printers that cannot print directly to the printer. Print will print directly to the printer if there are no issues. If you are having trouble printing directly to the printer, use the View and Print from that screen. Save or print to a PDF file. For this tutorial, select View. The Print Preview will display the print job. The print selections, which were printed using pre-printed forms. The to-up Copy A data is reflected on the screen. You can print from this screen or close it and print from the prompt. Click Exit when the printing is complete. If you did not print from the Print Preview screen, click Print. Otherwise, click Quit. Click Quit. If you want to print multiple pairs at a time, you can use the Batch command on the W-2 1099 Forms filer menu. The process to print the forms is the same. You are just given the opportunity to select multiple pairs. Click Quit. Please review the frequently asked questions on our website, or refer to the help files for additional information. Technical support can be reached by email, fax, or phone. Thank you for using the 1099 ETC program. Have a great day.